LIPU is a professional manufacturer of tubular spout products, based in Kaiping, China. Since 1993, we have been committed to providing the highest quality products and satisfactory service. For over 30 years, we have specialized in the production of high-quality brass and stainless steel faucet spouts, various types of floor drains, and other sanitary wares. Our factory covers over 80,000 square meters, with 10 production lines and a complete manufacturing system. From tube forming to machining, welding, and polishing, every step is controlled in-house. With advanced equipment and strict quality control, we ensure stable production and consistent quality. LIPU supports OEM and ODM projects, providing flexible customization and reliable delivery for global customers. Our products are exported to over 20 countries across North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia, meeting international standards and diverse customer requirements. Welcome to visit LIPU in China.